But we got another package. Let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Varusteleka out of Finland. Their local website is varusteleka.fi or varusteleka.com. There's another way to access their website. Always have a large variety of items and items being updated. So a Varusteleka out of Finland, and they ship internationally. So let's get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this open. This bag, it did not have a manifest on the outside today, so perhaps there's one on the inside. Ooh, cool bag. Oh, there's. Alright, I am going to set some of this stuff aside here. Some of you may already recognize these items without me even. Yeah, no manifest. Okay, good thing I wrote some notes. Again, there's an image on the bag for you folks who have to look at that sort of thing. Military and outdoor specialists. Better gear for less. One of their things is also the reuse program of surplus gear that's of different grades. Some is very fresh and ready to use. Others need a little bit of tender care to bring back to life, so to speak. So today we're going to get a look here at, looks like the Särmä TST Joulukonsu morale patch. Seen there with a interesting belt-fed device, and looks like winter attire with snow coming down. So again, Särmä Joulukonsu morale patch. Set that aside over there. This is a Dutch Woobie poncho liner, DPM, and this is actually. Let me get these out of the way because these are quite heavy, and I don't want to distort the surface here too much. Alright, so this is actually quite large. Very nice. Let me see. These are just full length, and then opens up quite a ways. So this is one corner. Hello, where's the, oh my gosh. Okay, not, there it is. Rounded corner right here. So I'm going all the way down to find the next rounded corner here. Traveling all the way down this way to get to the next rounded corner here, and then back up this way. Next rounded corner. All the way back in. So let's see the flip side. Looks exactly the same. We got drawstring here. Here, 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 all the way around the perimeter. Looks like we have every one of them. I'm trying to see. This looks. Is this unissued? Let's see if I can find a label on this thing. Give us an indication of wear and age, or if there's any personal markings on it. A name or a number. I don't see anything. So again, this is the Dutch DPM pattern Woobie poncho liner. But try not to move it too stretch around so I don't knock over the camera or the tripod, but I don't see any other labels or markings. Okay. Does it open further than this, or just a single layer? This does appear to be the single layer. Okay, let's move along. Next item. A couple of food import items here. I'll bring these back up. Okay, we got ourselves some Scho-Ka-Kola. Too. Getting some glare though. Take it out of the package. Didn't show you guys. Came with backing as well, the morale patch, so you can sew that on in case you don't have anything on whatever you want to attach it to. That's nice. Okay, so the two types of Scho-Ka-Kola. 100-gram tin can, dark 10 pieces box. Red is the dark, blue is the whole milk. So these are like almost like store display boxes. There's one end. It's a 2003 August, if I'm reading that right, or March. Well, either way, I'm still going to end up eating this way before them. And this one, same thing. Okay, so it's day, month, year. Makes sense. So this is March 25th. Therefore, this one is day, month, year would be March 8th, 2023. Plenty of time. Let's see, how does this work? Classic. Nice. I might do a separate taste test on this, but yeah, 100-gram tins, 10 of them per case. That'll keep me occupied for a while. I might try them out on a busy day in the future. Check out the whole milk version. Very nice. Image of the piece right there. Yeah. So again, this is from Varusteleka.com, where you can get a variety of items. So I decided to do a little one-stop shopping, get a little Woobie, Scho-Ka-Kola, morale patch, and a little brain food. What we have here is the Finnish M31 Suomi SMG manual. So you can see it has actually the stamp marks right there as well. Rear cover. For the Coney pistol. There's your table of contents. Do a separate book review on this one, but it does have diagrams and some historic photos, blank pages for notes, and frankly, I think it goes to page 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, about 44 pages of information. So again, Finnish M31 SMG manual. Backtracking here. We also have 2 containers, 2 cases of Scho-Ka-Kola, the blue whole milk and the red dark chocolate variety. And we had the Särmä TST Joulukonsu morale patch, as well as a Dutch DPM Woobie. So these all came from Varusteleka.com. Feel free to check them out. They got a lot of stuff on their website, also known as Varusteleka.fi. So there's your .com. And Varusteleka 5. So feel free to check them out. Feel free to check out our other unboxing or unbagging videos. We also do show and tell and curios for the curious on more artsy type objects as well. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.